He didn't know when it started, but lately, nothing made sense. He'd open his laptop, then just stare. Scroll Instagram, close it. Open YouTube, close it. It felt like the days were moving, but he wasn't. He whispered to himself one night, "What am I even doing with my life?" If you've ever felt lost, not just confused, but directionless, like you're floating in the middle of nowhere, you're not alone. Feeling lost doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're awake, and your mind is craving direction. And today, we're not going to talk about vague advice. Let's get into 3 real, simple, psychology-backed ways to stop feeling lost. Starting now. 1. Shrink the map. The reason you feel lost isn't always because you don't have goals. It's because the map in your mind is too big. I want to be rich. I want to change my life. I want to be successful. That's like standing in the middle of a forest, holding a map of the entire continent, and wondering why you're panicking. Shrink the map. Instead of "I need to fix my life," say, "Today I'll just write 5 lines in my notebook and take a walk." That's it. Clarity doesn't come from planning your future. It comes from small movements done repeatedly right now. 2. Stop asking big questions. Answer small ones. When you're lost, your brain starts looping. What's my purpose? Why am I even here? What if I never make it? These questions feel deep, but they're a trap. They give you anxiety disguised as introspection. Psychologists say when the mind is uncertain, it craves cognitive closure, something finished, defined, solid. So instead of asking, "What is my purpose?" they ask, "What can I control in the next 2 hours? What task will make me feel 1% better today?" Small answers lead to real direction. Big questions often lead to more YouTube scrolling. 3. Do one hard thing on purpose. There's a strange truth about life. When you do nothing hard, everything feels hard. But when you do one hard thing, everything else gets quieter. Do something uncomfortable intentionally every day. Take a cold shower, post your first video, tell someone no. Go for a run at 6 a.m., not because it's productive, but because it reminds your brain, "I'm in charge. I can do difficult things." That feeling, that's how direction starts to return. He didn't figure it all out that week, but he started waking up, folding his blanket, writing 1 line in a journal. He stopped chasing clarity and started choosing movement. That's the cheat code. Don't try to feel amazing, try to feel aligned. Do small things with full presence, and slowly the fog lifts. Final thought. You don't find your path by thinking harder. You find it by moving through the fog, one real step at a time. Want more no-fluff clarity? Subscribe for real strategies, real stories, the kind that bring you back to yourself.